You don't need to be using your phone more. You need to be using your phone better. This is Mobile by Peak Design, an ecosystem of mounts, cases, accessories, and charging products that are brilliant, beautiful, and compatible with Apple's table never looked so good. And when you're up and about, your phone can be right where you need it always. Our elegantly simple wall mount with adhesive and magnetic attachment puts your phone at the center of your shop, kitchen, utility room, or morning routine. Laminated with a durable, waterproof fabric shell, it comes in 2 colors to integrate beautifully with any home. Your phone and your wallet are probably your 2 most used everyday carry items, and we integrated them more thoughtfully than ever before. A slim, minimalist wallet made of durable nylon canvas has instant card access, magnetic closure, and connects to your phone with a satisfying pop. A micro-adjusting hinge makes it an indispensable tool for working, watching, and talking. A new level of utility for your everyday carry. Speaking of utility, meet the world's thinnest, most versatile mobile tripod. With the footprint of a credit card, this machined aluminum tripod deploys rapidly, giving you a stable platform for content creation and an ultra-portable stand for everyday use. With a buttery smooth ball head designed by our tripod engineers, it works in portrait or landscape, converts to a kickstand, or a grip. And it stows away on your phone in any pocket. And for creatives, we didn't stop there. A kit of adapters let you put your phone at the center of your photography and filmmaking workflows. Get fast, secure, intuitive phone mounting with any tripod, vlogging or video rig, GoPro mount, or capture camera clip. The camera and the software that you need is in your pocket. This hardware lets you bring it out into your life.
Peak Design started making camera accessories a decade ago. And today, nearly all of us have a very capable camera in our pocket. These products will be more widely adopted than anything we've ever made. So we gave each one a serial number and guarantee them for life. Peak Design has been designing a magnetic mounting architecture for 4 years. Very recently, Apple announced that they were doing the same, and we're thrilled they did. This gives us a chance to integrate our mobile ecosystem into a standard that will be here for years to come. And with our cases and adapters, Mobile by Peak Design will work with any smartphone. We're actively performing design updates to integrate MagSafe compatibility. When you back us on Kickstarter, you'll be joining us for the home stretch of this product journey. And you'll be the first to receive what we think are the most thoughtful mobile accessories ever created. A lot has changed in 10 years. In 2011, I was just a kid peddling a gadget on Kickstarter, chasing a dream. Today, Peak Design is an internationally recognized brand. We're 100% carbon neutral, and we co-founded Climate Neutral, helping 150 other businesses do the same. We're a B Corp now. We use Blue Sign certified materials. We're members of 1% for the Planet. When it comes to responsibility and activism, we put our money where our mouth is. And through it all, we continue to launch our products here on Kickstarter. Crowdfunding allows us to prioritize innovation, take risks, speak honestly, and keep outside investors from pushing us toward unwanted growth. Because this is the company we want to build. Our backers and us. The first 10 years have been incredible. Count us in for 10 more. Thank you, and see you soon.